Today, I'm going to show you how to enable USB debugging on any Android phone in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a developer or trying to connect your phone to a PC, this will help you out. Let's dive right into the steps. Go to Settings on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Tap on Software Information. Find build number. Tap it 7 times quickly until you see a message that says you are now a developer. Go back to the main settings menu, and now you'll see developer options. Tap on developer options. Scroll down and find USB debugging. Turn on the switch next to USB debugging and confirm the prompt. That's it. USB debugging is now enabled on your phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.